Then go down the time and show.
Yeah, you can do the date or the time, either one. Whatever. Just pick the day you want. Put the time you want to start at. Hit OK.
To review.
And now it's playing. See it?
Yeah.
And you pick the one you want to see. Let's see, there's no action there. Let's see if we can see some more. Here's some action. So we'll click on that and we're watching it. And you can fast forward it.
Oh, cool.
Okay, you can go fast, you can go slow. And it tells you right here, it's ×2. So that's fast. ×4, it's faster. See the car leaving. ×8. Okay. View, you can put on all the cameras if you want. We're on single camera. You can put on 4 cameras, or you can bring up all 8 cameras.
Okay, that guy's robbing the place right now.
Guy's booking.
Okay.
So now I'm going to let you fill it up, okay? Okay. All right, so this doesn't count. Yeah,
Trying to see. Oh, there's no DVD player on this one. So it says search.
That's it. Yeah, so now you just zero.
So you search through, you find the camera and the time from 10 o'clock to 10:15 or whatever.
Whatever the incident
Whatever
is.
it is, you find it, and then you just get out of it. Okay, go back to live, or you backup is ready. So you're going to use a USB stick, plug it in here, and then select the channel that you want, the camera. Okay, and then put the start time, the date, and the time, start time, and the end time, and then just hit OK.
Okay.
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 But you gotta have a USB.
You got to have a thumb drive in here, yeah. Okay. And then you can put it on the computer and burn it to a CD. You know, if you want to give it to the cops or whatever.
Cool. Okay. So now go back to live. Can't hit cancel. Menu. Live. Nice.
That's sweet. Okay.
Okay.